Nick here with Cruise in Family, and today I'm going to be talking to you all about our vlog preparation. All right, Nick here with our vlog preparation video. So when we cruise, I like to do daily vlogs, update on a daily basis. I make the video, I shoot the video and then make the video on after we go get in bed. You know, we're kind of chilling, doing whatever, and I'll put all of our snippets together. And I'm going to share with you how I do that, because there's a lot of production that happens outside of the vlog, like the day of the vlog. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I work on. So I use LumaFusion. I use my iPhone, which is what I'm on right now. I use my DJI. I also have a GoPro. Those are the things I vlog with. And make stuff with within LumaFusion. I use Storyblocks and then just the LumaFusion. Sometimes I'll use a little bit of CapCut, but I don't really need it. So as far as my preparation goes, I also use Canva quite heavily. I'm going to show you just some of the stuff that I have kind of put in. I might put some of the graphics up on the screen here, but I'll just do like a presentation size or video size, and then I make a template. So here you can see my template. It's really simple, couple of boxes, another box here, and then our channels. You see our channels logo here. We have a couple different logos, but this is the one I like to use on screen. And then we have some kind of like static logos. So this all has motion to it. And then I think of the things that we're going to do. So like a packing day video, I'll probably make a packing day video. As you can see, the vlog preparation, I probably have already put that up on the screen. And then like our travel day, embarkation. So this is day by day embarkation. Hotel Maya. This is the hotel we're going to stay at. So I'll probably do that as part of our travel day, and then also I'm probably going to do a review of Hotel Maya. So if you're watching this later after our vlogs, go and check out the Hotel Maya review, because I'm gonna. We've stayed there a couple times, and I've missed the boat in getting those done. So Port of Long Beach, I'm going to make a Port of Long Beach video, and then our cabin, and then a day at sea. You can see Cabo San Lucas will be our first stop, and then another day at sea, Ensenada, debarkation, and then like Phoenix Sky Harbor, Long Beach. I might do a review on them, or I might just have that up on the screen. And I think ahead of those things. I make sure. So those are kind of like our big topics, right? Those are the big topics that we're probably only going to use maybe once or twice in a video. So it has its own kind of theme, and I keep the theme consistent, so that if you're like watching it on a playlist, you can go ahead and check out kind of that consistency. But I'm going to make all these into GIFs or GIFs or whatever you want to call them, GIFs, whatever there's different pronunciation. So if you're on one side or the other, I apologize. I'm not trying to upset you. And then I put those onto the video as I'm editing it. And then I also think of like locations on the ship. So I have a template here. And I actually added to the template. So this is like just the base template. This has motion, this has motion, this has motion. All of it is motion, but you can see there, I added a little bit our logo. I added our logo with it, and then vlogging, I have some cool graphics with vlog, and then you can see our DJI camera over there. Most of my shooting, especially when we're vlogging, is done on that DJI. I like the interface; it works really well. Being able to talk, and then the 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 microphones, like they're all really great. So you can see, I just go floor by floor. So you can see deck three, deck three, deck three, deck three, and then all sorts of locations on deck three. Sunset dining room, main dining or showroom on deck four, which is the liquid lounge, Java Blue, Fahrenheit 555, atrium, light, and liquid lounge, pixel gallery. So, and I just go off of a deck plan. I just grab the deck plan and I go through that deck plan and grab all of the different parts. So you can see here, I'll go ahead and preview. You can see there's motion with it, because it's a GIF. All the background there, it's not white, it's clear, because I downloaded it correctly from Canva, and Canva will let you download it without the background. So it's just going to be that graphic right there, and then the graphic appears on the screen along with the person talking. So you can see there. Because I did the template first, I gave all the motion, and then I don't have to go in and put the motion every single time that I make a new one of these. And I think I have like 47 different labels. And so the big advantage of doing all of that ahead of time is, like, I'm not messing with it or thinking about it. It's hard to work with Canva on these specifics. Like I find on my phone, I like to do it on a bigger screen, but it gives me a lot of versatility. It makes it so that I can call out the places that I go to, and be a little bit more formal with kind of that presentation. So, that's a huge part of my preparation. So another big piece to the preparation for vlogging is making sure that I have all of my equipment set and ready to go. So I grab all of my tech stuff, and I have 2 bags for my tech stuff. So, and I make sure all of that's there. I test everything out and make sure everything is has full battery before we leave, and then I also make sure that I bring along enough like chargers and everything for the whole family, not just myself. So another area that I prepare ahead of time is with my thumbnails. You can see I'm scrolling through my thumbnails here. I have some thumbnails for the vlogs in person, and then when we come home, I'll do reviews of some of the different locations. And I made a different template, and then I have a third template here coming up with some of the other location vlog specifics. So you can see that those thumbnails are pre-made, and it helps me just stay organized on the trip. Daily vlogging isn't for everybody, but if you come prepared and are ready to do the work on a ship or on a trip, it's definitely doable. You take a little bit of time ahead of time, make sure that your equipment is good, make sure that your graphics are good, and just have fun with it. I love doing it. It enhances my vacation, and I want to say thank you so much for watching our video. Hopefully you learned a couple things. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments down below. If there are things that you do that I don't do, let me know about them. I would love to learn from you. Thanks so much for watching. You have a super awesome rest of your day, and we will see you on board. Bye.